Hey guys, Glenn here, Glenn Michelle here. I'm gonna do a quick little video here for you. We're getting ready to go to Maine, and I bought a new thing to level the camper with. Well, it's not. It's new to me. It's been around for a while, but I want to show you what I bought. I bought right here the Camco Easy Level. It's supposed to make leveling easy with the 4 lights it shows in the box right here. So, kind of a little bit of an unboxing. Easy Level Wireless, made by Camco. It's available in the App Store. Now, the Play Store, I cannot tell you it's available because it's not, because it's only for older devices, probably like Android 6.0 and older. When you try to go to it, it says that this app is not compatible with your device. I'm on a Samsung Galaxy S23. So it will not work. So what you have to do is you have to go online to get it. You can go download it online. You can get a version of it that will work, and not from the Play Store. Okay, you just got some writing over here. Instructions are here on the back. You got English, and I don't know if that's French or whatever it is, a language I don't speak. And that's pretty much it. So let's get this out of the box real quick, and I'll get it set up so I can show you how it works. All right, so I downloaded the app offline, and I'll put a link down below in the description of where you can get. Now, mind you, I don't know if they update that online version at all or not. I don't know. All right, so here's the unit right here. I just took it out of here. There's no instructions because it's on the back of the box. All right, so let me go ahead and I'll pop this off. I'm doing this one-handed, so gotta give me here. Let me just grab some batteries here. Okay, so it takes 3 AA batteries, and let's just go ahead and we'll pop these batteries in here like this. Okay, another one on the other side. Then I'll put the one in the middle. Okay, so we got power to the unit. Or at least got the batteries in anyways. And, alright, so what you do with this is you set it on your floor in the middle, pretty much the way you're supposed to put it, but where I'm going to pop up a little different. So I'm going to just put it right here on the center of my floor. Make sure it's pretty much where I need it. I think so. Alright. Now let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the unit on. Okay. Now you can use this with or without the app. Let me see. Get this. Okay. So, yeah, see, it's kind of flashing a little red on this side. This side not doing much, flashing green some. All right, let's go ahead and, let's get this. I think we have to have this way. Okay, it's supposed to go towards the front of the trailer. Let's get it now and see how it shows. So it's showing that the right side of the trailer, if I'm looking at the front of it, is flashing a little red, and a little bit right here towards the front is a little red, and we're getting nothing on the left hand side. So yeah, a little bit on the left. All right, so let me go ahead and let me show you the app. Okay, so now you can see I've got the unit set up, and it is flashing. And now let me go ahead and let's go get the app. And where did I put it? I think I put it down here. Yep. Okay. So here's their app, and once you turn it on, it automatically just pairs right up. There's no pairing session. Once you turn that unit on, it comes up. All right, so let's go outside, and I want to show you now. You see this is still going. I'm going to go ahead, and if I'm at the front of my trailer, which I'm at right now, I can hear it making noise. I can hear it flashing. So, pretty decent. I'll be able to stand at my front of my trailer and put it up and down, and I'll be able to see where if I'm level or not, and where I need to adjust it so that it is level. So yeah, it's pretty cool actually. Let me just see, do I have this all the way turned up? No, okay. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the noise it's making. And it's not quite centered. Okay, so I'll have to make sure I get this centered. Let me just see. I'm probably affecting it by sitting down. Let me stand right over this so that I'm... Yeah, see, if I stand on it, with me walking around, it's making a little bit of a difference. Not much, but a little bit. All right, so I've got it. I went out and leveled the trailer a little bit. I raised the front up, and I raised the jacks on the driver's side, right side, looking at the front of the trailer, and it's pretty good actually. Looks like it's just flashing a little bit red here, but it doesn't seem to be doing it there to the front. So I think the front's okay. It's just the other side that's going to come up a little bit. Nice. We should be good. All right, so that's the Camco Easy Level Wireless, and that's the unit right there, still turned on. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. Not much to it. So I just wanted to show you this, what it looks like, and I'll be using this when I head to Maine in a couple of weeks. I'll be up there for a whole month, so yep. Getting our pop-up ready to go, and I just wanted to get in here and do a quick little video and show you how to use this easy wireless, easy level wireless unit to get the camper leveled out. So this is going to make it a lot easier. So, all right, guys. Hey, if you haven't liked the video, go ahead and like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See you, everybody.